Do you need to apply for a PTIN? If you're a tax professional who needs to apply for a Prepared Tax Identification Number, or PTIN, this video illustrates how to complete an online PTIN application. After you create an online PTIN account, you're ready to apply for your PTIN. To get started, go to irs.gov/PTIN and select the Renew or Sign Up Now banner. Log into the system by entering your user ID, which is usually your email address, and then your password. Once you're logged in, select PTIN Sign Up with SSN on the main menu. Review the list of required information and make sure that you have everything before you continue. Notice that you must have your most recent individual tax return. You will need information from your tax return to validate your identity in our system. The first screen you complete will ask for the year for which you are applying for a PTIN. Usually, the only option is the current year. But in mid-October each year, you can select either the current year or apply for the upcoming year. Next, enter your personal information. Remember, a red asterisk means the information is mandatory. Some fields must be formatted a certain way. For example, your date of birth should be entered as month, day, and year, and your Social Security number should be entered without dashes. You can roll your mouse over the question marks to reveal helpful tips when entering your information. There's also a bar on the left side to help guide you through the process. Remember, make sure you enter information exactly as it's shown on your last tax return. This information is used to validate your identity and can result in your application not being processed if items don't match. Continue through the application and be sure to answer all required fields. If you currently have a professional credential, such as a CPA, attorney, or enrolled agent, enter this information. It's important that you enter this information because it determines what other information we need and whether you have other requirements, such as having to pass a competency test. At the end of the application, you will have a chance to review your information for accuracy. If changes are necessary, go directly to the section by selecting the corresponding Edit button. Once you click Submit, the system checks for errors and verifies your identity. Any errors are shown on a summary and must be fixed in order to proceed. If there are no errors, you're prompted to submit payment. After that is complete, you receive a payment success confirmation, followed by a display of your new PTIN. Click Finish to view any next steps, including testing or continuing education requirements. Congratulations, you now have your PTIN.